Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how you can delete your BASE44 account. So let's go and do that step by step. So as you already know, you need to get to app.base44.com. So this is official website. Now go here to your profile picture where you see it on the right top corner, click on it, and then go to settings right here. And after that, the pop-up window will appear, and right here under the account, so click the account, and at the really bottom right here, you will see delete account. You can read it right here. So when you do that, you will keep access to your account for 7 days as a free user before it's permanently deleted. But here you have the button, and yeah, this is how you can delete your account. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.